All right, so Dan, we just hired a new VP product and marketing. Julian Mills joined us about 2 months ago. And he gave us a task as a leadership team to say, how do you describe what we do in 4 words? And we took a bunch of kicks at that, and really tough thing to distill down to that unique. He actually came up himself after that with a new tagline we tested called "We Make Microsoft Simple," which I hope doesn't offend.
Of course not.
Sometimes Microsoft is a little complex, particularly when we're talking about external users where they may not be familiar with the tools. How do we streamline that and make it as simple as possible? That's really
Absolutely.
our goal as a product set. So what do you think of that?
I think it's a great line. I certainly appreciate all the work you're doing with customers in this scenario. It is not a simple scenario out of the box. Right. So I'm really grateful for the work you do to help our customers be successful, and cannot wait to see what you continue to build on top of your capabilities.